Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
Hi guys.
We are doing slime in the car. I'm not gonna get a good thumbnail because it won't let me go do the thumbnails for some reason.
Stretchy slime.
So yeah, this one we are gonna call green tea Kit Kat because she had a Kit Kat that was green tea and it looks nothing like it. This is like a weird grayish green kinda, so we can like add green fruit to it probably. But yeah, we're doing a slime giveaway.
Hi guys, it's Jenna. I know you can't see me, but hi.
Anyways, we're doing slime and yeah. So we'll switch in a second, but this one is sit around and talk about a good time. That didn't even happen. And why are you laughing? And this joke to see if I found an answer. No, nope, but at least you're happy. Oh, that was hard. No, I know that part because I did it on Musical.ly. I was trying.
Oh, we all have the same shirt.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we all have the same shirt. We got Five Below. It's so cute. It says over it. Jenna's still has a small tag on it. Oh. These smalls are so big. So the next slime is this one. We call it like the bubblegum paradise or something. It's so cold. What the heck? We call it bubblegum paradise, but there's a unicorn charm in it. No, we should call it unicorn poop.
Are we gonna go to the pool?
Yeah. And yeah, sorry.
And there's so many
I still like the one I got.
Yeah, the flamingo.
Did your mom pack you a bag? Did you not tell your mom yet?
Oh no, she knows I'm sleeping. I just haven't.
Sorry, I'm like obsessed. But yeah. I really like this slime. It is actually a cloud slime, so like you can buy it for like I don't know. It's Jenna slime, so you can like buy it from Jenna, like $3 or $4 or $3.50. I don't know, but it's a really good slime. But it won't come with this container. It'll come with a different container.
What's your grandparents' name?
Barbara and Harold.
Oh, I saw them. One of them has like darker hair,
Yeah.
not the gray haired girl. She left, right? She's still there?
Oh, Susan.
Yeah, her.
Susan. What's today?
I don't know.
Today, Monday.
Yeah,
She-
Monday.
She's coming tomorrow, and
My kids and a friend are meeting up with
So,
their friend.
yeah, we have a bunch of.
my
There's a
grandkids.
bunch of rainbow foam beads in this slime. It's a white pink, a light pink, a bunch of jumbo ones, and there's tiny ones. So,
I still like this one.
yeah.
Like me.
Are we gonna sell that one?
I know.
We could for like $1 or $2.
It's $5.
Different than yours, but I just get
Oh, no, it's not.
Alex,
how things work.
wasn't this slime $5 at Five
Here,
Below?
let me see it.
You know this? The purple one?
Yeah.
It was $5.
What? Alex, you have to keep this wrapped over there.
So yeah, guys, also go buy it for $5 at Five
You can
Below.
get this at Five Below. It's elastic plastic slime.
Yeah.
But I made mine way better because I mixed conditioner into it. So. And this is hers now because we gave it to her and we traded.
Just gelato.
Yeah. What? Tell me later.
Yeah.
We're about to get out of the car anyway, so I gotta like this last
Oh, yeah.
slime.
Not yet.
Here's the last slime. Is a butter slime. It has a couple rainbow foam beads because I took them all out. It's not that good, but we're gonna fix it. So yeah, it's gonna be like $1 probably when we sell it. It's pretty good. It's just very thick.
You so precious when you slow. Hidden from the flashes.
Wow. Oh.
Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, like this video, give us a thumbs up, don't forget to comment down below if we should do more slimes for the giveaway. I mean, not the giveaway, because I have to get way more followers to do a giveaway because nobody would enter it.
Really?
But yeah, we're here to play, so that's why. Don't forget to comment, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I post. So yeah, bye.